Kokedama plant. Hey guys, it's Nitya and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm sharing with you guys this cute Kokedama plant. Let's get started. Soil, manure and coconut husk. Combine all of this together and make a small ball. Take a plant along with its root. Now break the ball into half carefully and put this plant inside. Close the ball. Now take any cloth piece like this and cover the cloth piece around this ball. You can take the help of thread to do this. Now take moss. Take a small piece of moss and wrap this moss around the ball using thread. Cover the whole ball like this. Also cover the small parts using small piece of moss. And it's ready. That's it for today, guys. See you next time. Bye.